Hello and welcome to Kokia Faina channel. My name is Lome and welcome to my kitchen. There's a bag of bags right over there. Anyways, today I thought I would make a cute makeup tutorial. So Fight the Evil Robots posted me a new channel which is Under the Ash Tree, which is new for me. The name of the channel owner is Ashley, and it happens to be that she built her own green palette, and I really wanted to recreate one of her green makeup looks. So, let's go ahead and do that. Firstly, she took a color that is a little bit darker. I'm going to take this one, the Tropics shade from Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette. I have this for years, but I haven't used it that much, so I think it's the perfect palette for the green look. I will be taking this specific shade because it looks the most like the one she's using in her own palette. And she used a brush, but I will use my finger instead. So she applied this color all over the lid. Looks good already. I love it because it's green. Yes, I love how she firstly does her eyes because eyeshadow always crumbles on me. Girl knows what she has to do. Using the fingers is the best invention since mankind has discovered fire, probably. I mean, can use fingers in many ways, but this is one of them. And see how nicely blended it looks already? I didn't even need a blending brush. They lied to us by telling that we need brushes, that's for sure. What do you guys think? Do they look green enough already? I only have 3 clean brushes, so that's gonna be more dramatic than it should be. Does it look good? I don't think it looks good, but okay. We'll trust the process here. I look like a raccoon, but in green. So what I do when I have only a few brushes, I just clean it off like this. Done. Good as new. And let's continue. So later on, Ashley took a lighter color. So I will use key lime for that one. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while since I did my eye makeup. So we'll see how that goes. It's the reflexes. They're coming back. I don't think you can see anything. Oh, you can. I can't. Does it matches my green eyes like so well? I know, right? Thank you. Thank you for your compliments, guys. You're so nice. The gray shirt for this look. Am I the green color expert or what? See, her green is localized and my green is all over the place. But you're a makeup artist, you should know your stuff. Keyword was everything supposed to be blended well, blended well. Oh, now it's up to my eyebrow here as well. I mean, at least it's matching, so we have that. I remember we used to do this little flick over here. Does anyone do that anymore? Are my skills coming back? Let's find out in a few minutes. Well, in 2 hours for me, but in a few minutes for you. So she uses a makeup wipe to make the line sharp. I don't have that, but what I do have is these things. Cotton rounds? Yes, cotton rounds. And I do have some face cream, which is basically the same as makeup remover, which is nice because it's also moisturizing, not only cleaning. There, the same effect. If anyone was wondering, just a few swipes and you're good to go. You're welcome, guys. So Ashley takes a green sparkle moment and puts it all over her lid and also even up to the brow, which is very doable. I will be using Linda Hallberger Enchanted Secrets. This is a very old palette, you guys, and I think it is discontinued, but I will be using the shade Ethereal. Let me just swatch it for you. Oh my goodness, this brings so many memories from watching YouTube. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, oh. And I will bring this up to my eyes everywhere. Look at this. Oh, let me just... There. Do I look sparkly? This is matte. This is sparkly. The crumble still crumbling. Well, don't worry, the shade, if you happen to find this palette in anyone's declutter, the shade is amazing. So Ashley is applying darker color. Maybe I will try this one on her lower lash line, so I will do that. And she uses a really teensy tiny small brush, so I will use the same one I use for my eyebrows because I am in fact a brush poor person. But as you can see, you don't need many brushes, you just need to use your brain. So she uses a light green pencil in her waterline. Do I have something like that? Absolutely, I don't. I will just try to put the eyeshadow in my waterline and pray to the lords that it will stick. I think it worked. My eyes will never recover from it, but I think it worked. I will apply my base makeup as well and see you in a minute. The entire base makeup is done. I covered the 3 lashes that I have with mascara. Mirror. 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 Ah, fuck it. For the highlighter, I don't have anything highlighty, so I will be using the same green ethereal. Oh shit. Linda Hallberg. Shiny things are so good. Shiny, how do we call them? Eyeshadows. Yes, eyeshadows. Linda Hallberg's shiny eyeshadows are so good. And she did her Cupid's bow as well, which is cute, and I forgot you can do that. So that is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? Ashley, if you're watching this, did I nail it or what? What if I cover my bag of bags with my hair? Oh, then you can see my utensils. No!
Look who's here to say hello. Hello, my fellow people. Why don't you give me more snacks? I want a snacks. I don't want hugs and kisses. I don't want to be loved. I want snacks. My snacky baby. Thank you for joining us, you little baby. Thank you so much.
You can go now. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Ashley, for letting me copy you. Well, you didn't let me, I just copied your look. Thank you for creating this amazing look through my hands from your imagination on my face. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you in a few mental breakdowns. Bye!